how to transfer specific video to Google Photos on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer a specific video on Google Photos to Google Photos on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click this three lines here in top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down here until you find transfer a copy of your information. Click on it and then click next, and now click Google Photos and click no one, and then click this one specific video and select any video, and then just click next. And now just connect your Facebook with Google Photos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.